Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. I'm one of the co-founders of DataThings. We created the company in 2017 as a spin-off of the University of Luxembourg, and we built a company around a proprietary high-performance AI platform that we call GreyCat. This platform is used to build highly efficient, large-scale digital twins for different sectors. We started the company already with 2 clients, and we were beneficial from day one. In 2020, we had the opportunity to have our very first 2 clients joining as strategic investors in the company, and we used this investment over the last years to build a bigger team to ready our products and to improve the technology. By the end of this year, we plan to be break-even again. Everything that we do at GreyCat, at DataThings, is built around our GreyCat technology that we also use to build a very large-scale digital twin of the electricity grid that we named ALVA after the first name of Thomas Alva Edison. If we look at the current energy transition, we all are aware of the trends towards more heat pumps, PVs, and electric vehicles in the grid. There's also an increasing digitalization of the grid, and latest with the rollout of the smart meters that start to happening in more and more countries around the world now, we will have also increased real-time monitoring capabilities. While all of this is great, it also puts a lot of pressure on the current grid, especially on the low voltage grid where much of this energy transition is happening. Therefore, where to invest in the grid and how the grid evolves or should evolve become more and more important questions. It's no longer possible to just put big enough cables in the ground to hope that this will work. Instead, we need to use the current capacity that we have in our grids much, much more efficiently. And we think we can do this by monitoring, predicting, and simulating our grids. With this in mind, we developed ALVA, our digital twin of the electricity network. ALVA is a tool that is fed in live with data from various different systems. For example, GIS, ERP, weather forecasts, weather data, but also smart meter data in live from the field. We then use the smart meter data to build actually individual AI models for every single point of consumption or production in the grid to be able to forecast the consumption and production behavior of every single consumer. And we build on top of this advanced simulations like for maintenance schedules, but also for things like what would happen if I install more heat pumps or have more EVs charging on the cable. With ALVA, we target DSOs as our main clients, and the use case that is used for is data collection and cleaning, grid planning and maintenance, grid monitoring, and also grid operations, where we have a very strong focus on, but we think that it will be also the basis for future flexibility management and demand forecasting and trading. In fact, we plan with ALVA to build an integrated techno-economic platform around the grid. So why you should choose ALVA? We are not the only player on the market in this domain. And if I have to break it down in 2 main points, it's speed and volume. We have been built from the very beginning to be able to scale to processing smart meter data in live. That's our main background in the company, to process efficiently large scale of data. And the second one, we have developed this together with Creos, the main DSO in Luxembourg, with a DSO for DSOs to address the actual needs. ALVA at the moment is operational and deployed nationwide in Luxembourg. We process here the data of more than 350,000 smart meters, which generated more than 150 billion measurement points over the last 3 years. We monitor more than 10,000 kilometers of cables in live, and we deployed around 1 to 2 million individual machine learning models around the grid to profile this. If you look at those numbers, it becomes clear that scalability for such a solution is really, really key. At the moment, what's next for us, we are heavily commercializing and advertising on our products, and we scale the company, and we aim to do this by building strong partnerships. We did this in the past with Creos and others, and we are at the moment building also a partnership with Ecosummit, which has more than 100 million meters worldwide deployed and works with more than 800 DSOs around the globe. If you find this is interesting what we are doing, we would love to have a chat and discuss this in more detail. Thank you very much and have a great day.